In this video, I will show you how to automatically change positive number in green color. So select any particular column or entire sheet. Then conditional formatting, highlight cell rules and select greater than. Make the number 0 here. And here you can select this green fill with dark green text. Then click on OK. So all the positive numbers cells will change into green color. To apply this entire sheet, click here. You can use the shortcut also. Alt H. Now L. Press enter. Now press G. Make the 0 here. Select your required color like yellow, green. Then click on OK. Or press enter. At same you want to change negative color into red color. Again select here. Conditional formatting, highlight less than, make 0 here. Then click on OK. So this is the way you can format as a color in Microsoft Excel. Thanks for watching.